you all today? I hope you all have amazing day today. Stay healthy and keep smiling. So kids, today's activity is exercise practical life. So today we're going to pouring water into different glasses. Okay, we're going to pour the water from the jug into different glasses. This is an activity that is really going to help you with hand coordination and concentration. So, are you ready to start? Before we start, don't forget to say Basmalah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now I will show you the materials that we need for this activity. For the first, the jug and also the water, and 3 glasses with a different size, 1, 2, 3, and then tray, and then napkin. Okay, have you prepared the material, kids? Okay, let's get started. This is the right way to put your hand on the handle. Okay, put your hand on the upper side like this and fold your fingers like this. The other hand will be on the bottom of the jug like this. Okay, now we are ready to pouring the water. Okay, the first I want to pour the water into small glasses, the smallest one. Okay, here we go. Be careful ya. Jangan terlalu penuh karena nanti akan tumpah, teman-teman. Nah, seperti ini. Lalu kita tuangkan lagi ke gelas yang lainnya. Hati-hati. Sudah. And then to the bigger one. Focus. Alright. Yes, just like this. Alright kids, if you're done with pouring water, and now it's time to clean up. Okay, I will pouring back the water into jug. The first, I open the lid. Now, hold the glass like this, and then pour it back into the jug. Okay, you may use the napkin for clean up the glass like this. Okay, put it back in on the tray. Okay, and now let's do the same with the different glasses. Pour it back into the jug and then clean up with the napkin. Alright, one more glass. Okay, almost finished. Don't forget to clean up the glass. Okay. Kalau sudah, let's see on the tray. If there is spilled water, you may clean up the tray with the napkin. Oke, kalau ada air yang masih tumpah di nampannya ini, teman-teman boleh membersihkan dengan waslapnya ya. Oke, let's clean up.
Yay! It's all clean.
Kids, that's all for today. After activity, recite hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. I hope you enjoyed the activity today. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye kids.